Welcome to the best picks. The best boat hull repair kit is probably one of the most important investments a boat owner can make, ensuring that minor hull damage doesn't escalate into major, costly repairs. This video will guide you through the process of selecting and using a boat hull repair kit, covering everything from identifying the right type of kit for your boat to mastering the repair techniques for a seamless finish, ultimately helping you maintain your boat's structural integrity and extend its lifespan. Number 5. INTEX Excursion Inflatable Boat. Get ready for unforgettable adventures on the water with our new inflatable boat. It's built tough and designed for comfort, making it perfect for fishing, exploring, or just relaxing on the lake. It's made from incredibly durable super tough PVC. This means it can withstand impacts and abrasions, ensuring years of reliable use. With dual Boston valves, inflation and deflation are a breeze. You'll be on the water in minutes and packed up just as quickly. It has extra storage space in the bow and stern, plus stainless steel D-rings to secure all your equipment. Take everything you need for a full day on the water. Measuring 10 feet 4 inches x 5 feet 5 inches x 1 foot 5 inches, it comfortably fits 4 adults. Enjoy the ride with adjustable seats and backrests. It comes complete with oars, fishing rod holders, a gear pouch, carry bag, a high-output pump, and a repair patch. Everything you need is included. We're committed to your satisfaction. Our customer service team is here to help, and it's backed by INTEX's 90-day manufacturer limited warranty. What we like. It's incredibly durable and built to last. The quick inflation and deflation system is a real-time saver. If you need a boat that's big enough for the whole family and their gear, this is the one for you. What people say. It's simultaneously huge and spacious, took 2 friends, about 600 pounds total with 3 people total, extremely buoyant, easy to inflate and use, and not prone to winds or currents like other inflatables, really stable. Separate inflatable compartments surrounding the boat plus the inflatable bottom and inflatable seat suggests that a single puncture would not sink this boat. The boat feels strong and durable. The construction feels heavy-duty and it features sturdy I-beam floor which provides rigidity to the floor. It also boasts 3 air chambers, which enhance the boat's buoyancy and ensure safety even if one of the chambers deflates. Number 4. West System 105K Boat Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for quick and easy fiberglass repairs. It's perfect for tackling those small mishaps on your boat. Inside, you'll find 8 packets of resin and hardener, fiberglass fabric, fillers, brushes, mixing tools, gloves, and easy-to-follow instructions. Everything is neatly packaged for convenient storage. It's designed to handle a variety of repairs, from small cracks and scrapes to more significant damage, including Gelcoat blisters and delaminate areas. It can even fix holes up to 1 inch in diameter. This kit is ideal for repairing fiberglass, composite materials, and other similar surfaces. It's your go-to solution for maintaining your boat's integrity. The kit comes in a sturdy, resealable package, making it easy to store on board. Everything is organized for simple access when you need it. Don't let minor damage ruin your boating experience. Get the West System 105K kit and keep your boat in top condition. What we like. This kit has everything you need for most small repairs. It's designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. If you're looking for a convenient solution to fix various fiberglass problems, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This kit worked great to fill in the hole. You do have to do a couple rounds of this though and be careful when grinding it down to paint. I primed only and you really have to look hard to see where the hole was now. No leaking to date and it's been 2 years. This kit is complete and easy to use with the pre-measured packs. The online instructions are really good for problem areas not listed in the kit. The instructions for mixing and adding filler make sense and everything needed to do the job is included. After curing, the epoxy is as stable as stated in the instruction. This fiberglass kit was very complete and came with easily understood instructions. It also worked great and fixed the hole in my sunfish. Number 3. Premium Gelcoat Repair Kit. Does your boat have unsightly scratches or chips? This kit makes repairs easy and fast, restoring your boat's beauty. It's not just for boats. Use it on fiberglass in pools, tubs, and more. It's incredibly versatile. With this kit, you can perfectly match the color of your boat. Achieve a professional finish effortlessly. The durable containers keep everything fresh and protected. You can easily store it for future use. This complete kit includes Gelcoat, hardener, color agents, and all the tools you need for a perfect repair. It's so convenient. Get professional results in just 1 hour. It creates a durable, glass-hard finish that lasts. What we like. You can easily match the color to your boat. It dries quickly, getting you back on the water fast. If you want a professional-looking repair that's durable and long-lasting, this kit is for you. What people say. After backing into a tree branch with the RV, this Gelcoat kit was perfect to finish off the repair. First was to prep the area, the fiberglass the damage, sand that out smooth. To color match the gray, I worked at ground level with an amount of just the Gelcoat, no hardener, adding first white pigment, then a very small amount of black. Mixed and applied to side of RV in a clean test area. Very slowly darkened the gray to a very close match. Simple to use. Mixing the tint takes a bit of practice, but if you leave the hardener out till you are satisfied with the tint, it's easy. Let dry overnight if applying in high humidity. Wet sand with 500 to 600 grit, then 1000 grit, then 1500. Use a cutter or antioxidation paste on a buffer. Then use a good polish and finally a good wax. Used on my Crownline 266. I had a 4-inch x 1/4-inch gash in my RV nose cone. I mixed the ingredients and added a little black coloring. It matched perfectly. I made sure I used enough hardener in the ratio and everything worked out perfectly. It took 2 coats to fill the gash and I used a rubber spatula to spread it out. It was still a little rough, so I used 1000 grit and 1500 grit to smooth it out. Number 2. Boston Whaler 58-204 Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit is designed for both your boat and RV. It's perfect for quick fixes and keeping your vehicles in top shape. It includes durable, long-lasting materials. You can trust it to handle a variety of repairs. The kit is designed for ease of use, even for beginners. You'll find everything you need for a smooth repair process. This kit provides everything you need for most common repairs. No more searching for individual parts. Specifically formulated for Boston Whaler boats, it ensures a perfect color match. Keep your boat looking its best. It's not just for boats. Use it to repair various surfaces on your RV too. It's a truly versatile solution. Get yours today and experience the convenience and quality of this essential repair kit. Keep your boat and RV in pristine condition. What we like. It's pre-mixed to match a popular boat color, making it super easy to use. The application process is simple and straightforward. If you need a quick and easy fix for your white boat, this is the ideal solution. What people say. Product worked well. But I guess because mine is older, the Grady white isn't the same white as I have. Luckily it's close to the water line where I used it. I have a 2014 Grady White 205 Freedom. Also, really wanted it into the water, so didn't wait too long, but it did harden very well. Matches the swim platform. My son just bought a 2004 Super Sport 15 which had a few Gelcoat blemishes with exposed fiberglass. After searching around we ordered this product and found it to be quick drying and easy to use. After fixing his boat, I ordered another package to repair a small ding in the bow of my 2007 Dauntless 200. Before starting, I taped off the area prior to applying the product to minimize sanding damage to the surrounding area. After the application, drying, and sanding, I removed the tape and initially could not even find the repair because the color match was so good. Used Whaler White to fix a Gelcoat ding on my boat. The color is a near perfect match. The repair turned out wonderful. Number 1. Evercoat Marine 108000 Gelcoat Kit. This kit makes repairing your Gelcoat easy. It's perfect for minor scratches and chips, restoring your boat's shine. It provides a durable and long-lasting repair. You'll get professional-looking results with minimal effort. The kit includes everything you need for a successful repair. Just follow the simple instructions for a flawless finish. It's designed to seamlessly blend with your existing Gelcoat. Say goodbye to unsightly damage and hello to a renewed look. It's ideal for small imperfections. It will quickly and effectively restore your boat's surface. This kit helps maintain the value of your boat. It's a cost-effective solution to keep it looking its best. What we like. It provides a professional quality repair that will stand up to the elements. The results are long-lasting and durable. If you demand the best and want a truly lasting repair, this is the kit for you. What people say. Color match was easy and stuff went on great. Use provided mylar but was too small, so I had part that it didn't cover. Where it covered it was a smooth glossy finish. Perfect. I was able to apply a small gel coat patch using this kit, but it has a very short working time, maybe 10 to 15 minutes, and it's difficult to apply smoothly. Color match was achieved. I did it in 2 applications. Seemed easy enough. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.